Flores. It's October the 6th, 2019, and the purpose of this video is to show a three-step progression towards the alternating medicine ball push-up with the kinesiology 5314 method. Okay, so what is progression? Progression in weight training refers to the series of exercises that take an untrained individual from a beginner's exercise to an advanced version of that exercise. So in this example, what I'm going to do is take a beginner from a basic push-up to an advanced push-up known as the alternating medicine ball push-up. The alternating medicine ball push-up is an advanced progression targeting the chest, shoulder, triceps, and core muscles. For this progression, all that is needed in terms of equipment are two medicine balls, which you're going to remove one for the last progression, so you're only going to need one medicine ball in the end. Those with shoulder issues should probably avoid this exercise, as the shoulder is probably one of the more targeted muscles during this exercise. As for the breathing you should take part in while participating in these exercises, you should look towards the basic push-up. You want to breathe in as you lower yourself and breathe out as you come up. For the rationale of why I chose to go through this progression is mostly that I wanted to start with a simple push-up without equipment, so the beginner would get used to the position and the movement, and then progress towards a more advanced push-up with equipment, and this would be the double-handed medicine ball push-up. And then from there, I wanted to remove one so as to best mirror the final progression. So that would be the one-handed medicine ball push-up. And then finally, you would end up at the alternating medicine ball push-up, which is most similar to the one-handed medicine ball push-up. Okay, so the first progression is going to be the basic push-up. What you want to do is keep your hands shoulder width apart. You want to keep your neck and your head in the neutral position and keep your back straight. You don't want you have your butt sticking out. I try my best not to do that in this demonstration. As you bend your elbows to lower towards the ground, make sure your elbows should be at a 45-degree angle with your body. The second progression is going to be the double-handed medicine ball push-up. As you can see in this progression, you're going to need to use two medicine balls, and what you want to do is place both of your hands on top of them as if you were in a push-up position. Keep your back straight and then your core engaged as you lower yourself down between both of the medicine balls. Make sure that the medicine balls are stable as soon as you come down, because some of them can slip really easily, so you want to be careful when you do that. You want to exhale as you come back up, and you want to keep doing this for the recommended, 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps on each of these progressions. The third progression is going to be the one-handed medicine ball push-up. And it's pretty similar to the second progression. All you're going to do is remove one of the medicine balls that you had before. You want to keep one of your hands on top of the medicine ball and the other you want to keep on the ground. So one of them is going to be elevated and one of them is going to be on the ground. And then you're going to simply follow the exact motion that you do when you do a basic push-up. Except what you want to do is you want to squeeze all the way down and make sure you're going all the way down, because if you're not going all the way down, you're not engaging the shoulder, which is pretty important to this exercise. The final progression is going to be the alternating medicine ball push-up, which was the goal of this progression assignment. What you want to do is start in a similar position as the third progression. One hand on the medicine ball, the other on the ground. Slowly lower your torso towards the floor. Press back to starting position then roll the medicine ball between the other hand before repeating the movement. Now, this is a very advanced push up. As you can see, I was having a little bit of difficulty myself trying to do this. So, what you want to do is practice doing the other progressions first before moving on to this progression.